Good morning, children. How's the day today? It's sunny day. Let's learn C sound story. Now, this is the scene of birthday. What is there in this scene? One cake is there. Candles are there. Clothes are there. C for cat is there. C for custard is there. C is Coca-Cola. And cupboard is there. Now children, just have a look. This is birthday scene. Now beer is there. Camel is there. Crow is there. And one bird in the cage. It is there. Camel is having card, cap and camera. Now crow has a gift car. Wow, so many colors are there. Now you know what they are enjoying? They are enjoying birthday. Happy birthday to you.